Roland Robles here with MLC CAD Systems. In today's technical tip, we're going to look at creating an inspection report leveraging our SOLIDWORKS drawing and model. Using the add-in called Inspection, we can quickly and easily prepare our report leveraging all the intelligence that we've already built into this drawing. In this case, I want to go ahead and grab our custom properties for part number, part description, and part revision to start my new quality inspection report. It's as simple as just clicking the custom property and then hitting the green check mark to get the report started. Since we've already built in a lot of the information into the actual CAD drawing, we can now grab all the information and it will treat each one of those dimensions, annotations, notes as what we call a characteristic. This helps us prepare the report for our quality team so they can physically inspect this, either using a digital measuring device or possibly a CMM machine. To distribute this information, now that we've started our report, is as simple as hitting two buttons. The first thing I want to distribute is my PDF that shows my balloon drawing with all the characteristics created. To match up with this PDF, I also want to distribute an Excel file. This Excel file is going to take all of this information that we specified in the model, like our tolerances for the length, height, and width, and it's going to auto-generate our report file. If you are leveraging a digital measuring device or a CMM machine, Inspection can link directly up to that and capture your results as you're actually measuring the part. In this case, we would push those results into Inspection and then finally down into our inspection report. For those of you that are still measuring parts manually, that's okay too. You can simply put in your measurements into our report and have it auto-calculate whether the fact this is in tolerance or maybe out of tolerance. Leveraging your SOLIDWORKS data for our inspection team has never been any easier than using SOLIDWORKS Inspection. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at solidworksupport@mlc-cad.com. I hope to catch you on the next one.